Look at the question number 3 now. Find the value of the expression when x is equal to minus 1. When x is equal to minus 1. That first part is 2x minus 7. So what we are going to do? We are going to substitute x is equal to minus 1 here. So 2 times of minus 1 minus 7. That means plus into minus is minus 2 minus 7. Plus into minus is minus 2 into 1 is 2. So minus 2 minus 7. What will you do that? Two negative integers, how will you add them? Yeah, add them as a natural and give the negative sign. So 2 plus 7 is 9 and then minus sign. That is minus 9. Then minus x plus 2. Minus x plus 2. Yeah, substitute x is equal to minus 1. This minus and then the value of x is minus 1 plus 2. Then minus into minus is plus 1 plus 2. Then 1 plus 2 is nothing but how much? 3. Just add them as a natural because the two integers are positive here. So 1 plus 2 is how much dear? 3. And then third part of this question is, it's given x square plus 2x plus 1. X square plus 2x plus 1. Now tell me what you will do? Substitute x is equal to minus 1. That is minus 1 the whole square plus 2 into minus 1 plus 1. Minus 1 the whole power 2 means what? You have to multiply minus 1 twice, then it will be plus 1. Please remember, when the base is negative, the power is an even number, then the result is always a positive. When we are multiplying 1 n number of times, then you will get 1 here. Now plus into minus is minus 2 plus 1. Now add the positive integer. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 minus 2, which is equal to how much? 0. Which is equal to how much? 0. Am I right, sir? Yeah. Then next question is, next part of the question is 2x square minus x minus 2. That is fourth part of the question is, fourth part of this question is 2x square minus x minus 2. Now substitute x is equal to minus 1, that is 2 times of minus 1 the whole square minus of minus 1 minus 2, which is equal to 2 into minus 1 the whole square is 1. Minus into minus is plus 1 minus 2 minus 2. That is minus 1 the whole power 2 means what? 1. Minus into minus is plus 1 minus 2. 1 into 2, 2. 2 plus 1 minus 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. Then minus 2. 3 minus 2 is how much dear? Plus 1. 3 minus 2 is how much? Plus 1. Am I right dear? Yes. Now come to the fourth question now. Fourth question is, when a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 2, when a equal to 2, when a equal to 2 and b equal to minus 2, find the value of a to the power 2 plus b to the power 2, I think so. Yes, a to the power 2 plus b to the power 2. Yeah, tell me dear, what is the value of a here? 2. So 2 to the power 2 plus b is what? Minus 2 the whole power 2. 2 power 2 is nothing but 2 into 2 is 4. Minus 2 the whole power 2 means minus 2 into minus 2, which is equal to minus into minus is plus 2 2s are 4. Then it is 4. So 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 plus 4 is how much? 8. Now come to the second part of the question number 4. What you have to find? You have to find a square plus ab plus b square. Now listen, what is the value of a here? 2. So 2 to the power 2 plus 2 into the value of b is minus 2 plus minus 2 the whole power 2. So we know that 2 to the power 2 means what? 4. Because 2 into 2 is 4. Plus into minus is minus 2 2s are 4 plus minus 2 the whole power 2 means minus 2 into minus 2, which is nothing but minus into minus is plus 2 2s are 4. Now 4 minus 4 you can cancel, that is 4 minus 4 is what? 0. Then it is 0 plus 4, which is equal to how much? 4. Which is equal to 4. Am I right here? Yeah. Now come to the third part of the question number 4 is, it's given that a square minus b square. A to the power 2 minus b to the power 2 or a square minus b square. What is the value of a here? 2. So 2 to to the power 2 minus the value of b is what? Minus 2 to the whole power 2. 2 to the power 2 is nothing but 4 minus to the whole power 2 means 4. That is 4 minus into plus is minus 4. 4 minus 4 is how much? 0. 4 minus 4 is how much? 0. Am I right here? Yes. So we completed the question number 4 here. In the next video, we will see the solution for question number 5. Am I right here? Yes. Thank you.